It's 11:30 on Sunday, and Austin and I are going to the park. What park do you want to go to, Austin?
The park with pine cones.
Okay, is that the regular park? Or is that the castle park? Or is that the water park?
I don't know.
Okay.
Just the pine cone park.
He wants to go to the park with the pine cones. So we will have to figure that one out. Quick trip to the grocery store to get supplies for barbecue that we're going to tomorrow. We almost lost control of the thing. And now I'm gonna head home. I'm gonna wake Austin up, and we're going to a food truck rally meetup event at the local high school. We got a whole bunch of food trucks that come out, and you buy food from them. Then they have events for the kids. And then at 7:30 they project a movie on the screen, and then you get to sit there and watch the movie. I think it's gonna be Big Hero 6. So I'll get to head home and we're gonna do that. They got barbecue over here. This one looks pretty good.
You want that one?
I don't know. Ooh, fried mac and cheese. That sounds interesting. Chicken sandwich. Here's pulled pork. Okay, what? Yeah, so Logan wants grilled cheese. We got Me So Hungry right there, which are sliders. And we got the Korean inspired wings and sliders. Got the all beef hot dog place. Over here is another burger truck. We got the main lobster truck with lobster rolls with a huge line. Just a second. And that's my wife and Austin at the end of that huge line. Logan and I are gonna go get a grilled cheese sandwich. Go right there, Logan. Excuse us. So we're getting in line for the grilled cheese right now. Jumpers. We may try that in a little bit.
I want that.
So my wife is in line for the lobster roll. Logan is in line for the grilled cheese, and I'm in line. I want to try this pastrami sandwich. Looks pretty good. So Logan did not want to be in line by himself. I have to pay an order, but I think he can handle it. He's a big guy. We'll see. So I just stood in this line for 30 minutes to get a pastrami sandwich, and they don't have any. My wife was in the lobster roll line and got her lobster roll before I even had a chance to order. Logan went through the entire grilled cheese line, got his, and then ate the whole thing by the time I got up to order. And then they didn't have pastrami. So I am getting the barbecue chicken fries, and I'm hoping they're gonna be good. So we'll find out. don't know how well you can see me. The barbecue chicken fries are pretty good. They weren't worth the wait. I really want a pastrami, but they're not bad. So I'm eating these up, and then they're setting up the screen right now for the movie, and then we're gonna watch Big Hero 6. Can you see me, Austin?
Yeah.
It's 9 o'clock. The movie's over. We're heading home. It was a good night, but looking forward to my bed. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.